This is Dr. Divya. Here we are discussing about these some protein products of recombinant DNA technology, like human insulin. This is a goat from E. coli, and this is used for treatment for diabetes. And second one, human growth hormone, treatment for growth defects. And third one, epidermal growth factor, treatment for burns and ulcer. Interleukin 2, possible treatment for cancer. Bovine growth hormone, improving weight gain in cattle. Cellulase enzyme. So this is an important enzyme, breaking down cellulose for animal feeds. Taxol, treatment for ovarian cancer. Interferons, alpha and gamma. This is a goat from Staphylococcus cerevisiae and E. coli, and it's used for possible treatment for cancer and viral infections. Hepatitis B vaccine, prevention of viral hepatitis. Erythropoietin, treatment for anemia. And eighth factor, treatment for hemophilia. Tissue plasminogen activator, treatment for heart attack. So insulin, so this type of a hormone required to properly process sugar and fats, treat diabetes, now easily produced by bacteria. Growth hormone deficiency, faulty pituitary and regulation, had to rely on cadaver sources, now easily produced by bacteria. So background for vaccines administration of antigen to elicit an immune response that cell protect against infections. First type of vaccines, first dead bacteria, inactivated virus, second attenuated bacteria, third subunit vaccines like viral fragments. So new generation vaccines, recombinant vaccines 1987, first recombinant vaccine for hepatitis came for public use, Recombivax. So production of recombinant HB vaccines. So this is a hepatitis B virus and HB antigen produced gene. So introducing of recombinant DNA into a cell and then make a recombinant yeast cell and that type of a extraction of purification of HB vaccines. So subunit herpes vaccine, like, so first step is DNA is extracted. Second one, herpes simplex gene is isolated, and then after vaccinia DNA is extracted and cleaved. Fragmented containing surfaces gene combines with cleaved vaccinia DNA, and further harmless engineered virus with surface like herpes simplex is injected into the human body. And in last, antibodies directed against herpes simplex viral coat are made. So genetic engineering of plants. So plants have been bred for millennia to enhance certain desirable character in important food crops. Second, transgenic plants. Bacillus thuringiensis was first discovered in 1901 by Japanese biological Suita Saigenten. So speculations about the BT are like the perception of six blind men about an elephant. The elephant metaphor of a reality. This type of a showing like these images. So genetically modified organism GMO, recombinant plasmid in agriculture. So plants with genetically desirable trait, herbicide or pesticide resistant corn and soybean, decrease chemical insecticide use, increase production. Golden rice with beta carotene required to make vitamin A, which in deficiency cause blindness. These are the type of a GMO, genetically modified organism. So this image is showing like toxic gene, bacillus in plasmid gene. So then the desirable plants like Agrobacterium tumefaciens, the bacteria, to make a transgenic plant. So this type of allows the larva of insectivorous to kill the transgenic plants and the control plant. So first one, transgenic plant protected from larva, and the third one, second one, control plant by damages by larva. So Bacillus thuringiensis, the beta toxin clusters, solubilization and activations. After that, uh, that things they're binding to receptor and toxin monomer, and after that cadherin is activated, toxin oligomer GPI anchored protein member inserted, and cell death pathway is activated of cell death pathway. Golden rice to prove pro-vitamin. First, the genes that give golden rice as ability to make a beta carotene its endosperm, the interior of the kernel, come from a bacteria called Irvinia hirudoviria. And this type of genes, along with promoter segment of DNA that activated gene, are inserted into plasmid, small loops of DNA that occur inside a species of bacteria known as Ectobacterium tumefaciens. And third one, these bacteria then added to the this containing, like as they infect the embryos, they also transfer the gene. And fourth, the transgenic rice plants must now be crossed with the strain of rice that are grown locally, are suited to a particular region, climate, and growing condition. So crops have been developed that are better tasting, stay fresh longer, and are protected from disease and insect infestations. So these tables showing like genetically modified crops, altered plant like rice with beta carotene and extra iron, canola with high laureth oil. So that affects added nutritional value and can be grown domestically, so less costly than the importing palm and coconut oil. So other factor like delayed ripening tomato, so that type of way affects extended shelf life. Herbicide resistant cotton, then herbicide kills weeds without harming crops. Mini papers, improved flavor and fewer seeds, like delayed ripening banana and pineapples, so extended shelf life. Altered cotton fiber, like plasticized fabric. High starch potato, so absorb less oil with fried paste, like cane resist European cone, seedless mini ones like single serving size, sweet peas and pepper, retain sweetness longer, sugarcane with cone, gene, register bacteria and fungal toxins. So transgenic tobacco, the luciferase gene from a firefly is transformed into a tobacco plant using the TI plasmid. So watering the plant with a solution of luciferin, the substrate of the firefly luciferase, results in the generation of light by all plant tissues. So insect-resistant tomato plants, the plant on the left contain a gene that encodes bacterial protein that is toxic to certain insects that feed on tomato plants. So the plant on the right is a wild-type plant. Only the plant on the left is able to grow when exposed to the insects. Where in this world? So the downside, introduce allergens, pass trans genes to wild population, pollinator transfer. So this is the for the patent to insecure profit, patent infringement, lawsuits, potential for capitalism, overshadow humanitarian efforts. Transgenic animals. So here we are discussing about like transgenic tomato, transgenic. So so that type of a make a different type of a transgenic with the help of the molecular biology we can make a different type of a transgenic plant. So thank you.